Welcome to a sunny day here in Helsinki. Time to take out the bike and go for a ride. The bike is being stored here for entire winter. We are all set and the map is laid out. And where are we headed? We are going to Kallahdenharju, which is a nature conservation area. It contains multiple beaches, numerous nature trails, and a lot of birds to see. Kallahdenharju used to be an island and now it's connected to the mainland. Essentially, it forms a peninsula which is surrounded by sea on both sides. We have reached the first beach. There are multiple beaches here and there are a lot of people today. So better not take the video here because people won't like it as they value their privacy very much. We have reached the main road which runs along the trail parallel to the beach. Following this road, we can reach the nature trail area at the tip of the peninsula. There are a lot of people and many cyclists enjoying the sunny day. This is where the nature trails start. There are lots of trails crisscrossing across this area. You can walk, run or cycle. We just need to have a hybrid bike. There is no need for a mountain bike to ride these trails. There is nothing technical about it and it's very easy. Now we have reached the main picnic area. People are enjoying the sun, barbecuing, having a nice time. Again, I cannot take the video of this area as there are a lot of people. The beaches here are sandy beaches and everybody in the family, including kids and the dogs, can enjoy them. Some of these trails take us directly onto the seashore. You can see a guy over there who is enjoying paragliding. Let's watch him for some time. I have crossed towards the other side of the peninsula. Now the sea is on the left side. This place here is the tip of the peninsula. There are some islands over there where we can see houses and there could be people living there. I just found a place where I could sit down and have some snacks. If you have a hybrid or a mountain bike, you can easily take these trails. I have heard that there are some villas over here which can be rented. There is the third beach. I've seen people come here with their dogs and train their dogs and have fun with them. you had fun cycling with me. How was Kallahdenharju? Let me know. Time for me to return. It is 1 hour ride back home. See you next time, guys. Bye.